Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to disable message sharing on Telegram. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of methods to disable or restrict sharing. So if you're for a group, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram, open the group that you want to restrict it on, and then tap on the name of your group on the top. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on group settings right over here. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for group type. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on restrict saving content down over here. So it is as simple as that. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and go to your settings down over here. And finally, once you're here, all you need to do is simply go to privacy and security. And then inside of privacy and security, you want to look for forwarded messages right over here and then put it to nobody. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.